I never told anyone, but a bird flew by. Saw what I done, he set up a nest outside. And he sang about what I become. He sang so loud, sang so clear, I was afraid all the neighbors would hear. So I invited him in, just to reason with him. I promised I wouldn't do it again. But he sang louder inside the house and I couldn't get him out. So I trapped him underneath a cardboard box, stood on it to make him stop. I picked up the bird and above the din I said, that's the last song you'll ever sing. Held him down, broke his neck, taught him a lesson he wouldn't forget. But then my dreams began to creep with that old familiar tweet, tweet, tweet. And I opened my mouth to scream and shout, waved my arms and flapped about, but I couldn't scream, I couldn't shout. Waved my arms and flapped about, but I couldn't scream, I couldn't shout. The song was coming from my mouth, from my mouth, from my mouth, from my mouth. I hope you enjoyed it. I probably have way too much confidence in my self. Sorry. This took some practice, but I really hope you liked it. Alright, bye-bye.